The salary peak system guarantees the employment of workers until their retirement age, but cuts wages by a certain portion when they reach a certain age. Explain the positive and negative aspects of this system in terms of business, society, and economy. The salary peak system benefits society in numerous ways. However, it also has some problems. One of the advantages of this system is that it creates more jobs. By cutting wages, it ensures that companies maintain older employees while also making room for new ones. As a result, it decreases poverty, unemployment, and homelessness among both the youth and the aging population. Consequently, it also decreases illegal activity that is prompted by the lack of money. Also, by encouraging the hiring of lesser paid, creative youth and cutting the pay of highly paid older workers, the system increases the productivity of companies and promotes innovation. Further, by protecting the job of long-time employees, it raises the productivity of Korea's aging population and offsets the nation's low birth rates. In other words, the salary peak system prepares Korea for its future worker shortage. Moreover, it decreases the strain on the government's pension system. If people retire later, the government doesn't have to spend as much money or resources to support them. And overall, this leads to more economic growth on the national level. However, the system benefits not only economics, but it also improves the mental health of society. Extended participation in the workforce most often correlates to a healthier mental state because it promotes engagement in the community and decreases loneliness. That said, there are some issues regarding this system. Firstly, it raises questions about fairness. Most people would agree that greater experience and greater skill should lead to a higher wage. However, a lower income can also lead to a lack of motivation and decreased productivity. Workers whose monthly earnings are cut because of this system often cannot help but feel like they are being cheated. This undermines their motivation to perform well, and thus it also damages the quality of their work. Moreover, although the salary peak system was created to ensure participation in the workforce amongst the older population, it nonetheless fails to protect these jobs quite often. This is because big companies such as Samsung and KB often even if they often follow the system, they also push long-time workers to retire through their own programs. For example, KB has a voluntary retirement program which allows workers that have worked for them for over 10 years to retire, and it compensates these workers by giving them 3 years worth of wages. As a result of this program, employees for KB can retire even at the age of 50, which is 10 years below the 60-year benchmark.